If you've been keeping an eye on the markets lately, you've probably noticed something interesting. The crypto market and the stock market seem to be moving in sync more than ever before. Bitcoin's price spikes and the Nasdaq jumps. Stocks take a drop and the whole crypto market is down with it. Is this just a coincidence or is there something deeper going on? Hey my friends, I'm the DeFi Doctor and welcome back to another Decentralized Masters crypto class. In today's video, we're diving into the correlation between the stock market and the crypto market. Whether you're a crypto pro or just getting comfortable with the space, this video will help you see the bigger picture and maybe even tweak your investment strategy. First things first. Yes, the stock market and the crypto markets are connected more than they used to be. Back in Bitcoin's early days, it was this wild, untamed asset. 20% drops in a day used to be commonplace. It was completely detached from traditional finance. Fast forward to 2025 and the lines are blurred. Crypto is not just a fringe experiment anymore. It's part of the global financial system. You might be familiar with the Nasdaq stock exchange. It's been made popular by its technology company-focused listings, including Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. If you have noticed that the Nasdaq chart and the Bitcoin chart look strangely similar recently, it's not just you. The correlation between crypto and Nasdaq has spiked. And you might be wondering, why is this happening? It's simple. Crypto is technology, and the Nasdaq is loaded with tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. When investors get excited about innovation, whether it's AI, blockchain, or quantum computing, cryptos and tech stocks get boosted. Unfortunately, this narrative also plays out on the downside. When the risk appetite of investors drops due to economic uncertainty, both get hit hard. For seasoned traders watching, this means watching Nasdaq movements could give you a heads up on crypto's next move and vice versa. Another factor that's driving correlation is businesses adopting crypto as part of their business or as their entire business. Several publicly traded companies are dipping their toes into blockchain technology and crypto, which is strengthening the correlation. Take Strategy, for example. Under Michael Saylor's leadership, they've gone all in on Bitcoin, holding over 471,000 Bitcoin as of now. That's roughly $46 billion worth. Their stock price often tracks Bitcoin's ups and downs. Then there's Tesla, sitting at about 11,500 Bitcoin, worth over $1 billion. They haven't added more lately, but they still hold their tokens. You also have PayPal, which has created their own stablecoin. Then you have publicly traded businesses like Coinbase, where its entire business model is based on the adoption of crypto. The crypto exposure of these companies means that when Bitcoin rallies or falls, their stock prices often follow, pulling the broader market along. Now let's zoom out to the bigger picture of liquidity and risk assets. Crypto and stocks are both risk-on assets, meaning they thrive when money's flowing freely and investors are feeling bold. But what controls that flow? Interest rates. When central banks like the Fed keep rates low, cheap money floods the system. Investors pour cash into stocks and crypto, driving prices up together. Back in 2020-2021, the Federal Reserve flooded the economy with liquidity and dropped rates. It ended up creating the largest rally in crypto market history. But when the liquidity and the low interest rates resulted in high inflation, the Federal Reserve was forced to raise rates and tighten up liquidity. When interest rates rise, investors pull away from risk-on assets and move funds to treasury bonds. This ended up causing the long bear market in crypto between 2022 and 2023. If you're managing a portfolio that's either crypto or stocks, a key dynamic to watch is interest rates. They can either spell out financial success or destruction of your crypto and stock holdings. Recently, institutional adoption of crypto has also tightened the correlation between the stock market and crypto markets. Big institutional firms like hedge funds, pension funds, asset managers, even banks are getting involved in crypto. Back in the day, crypto was retail driven, made of small traders like you and me. Now, institutions trade across asset classes. These institutions are also heavily invested in tech stocks. So the moves getting in and out of crypto and stocks has become synonymous. Institutions will likely move out of crypto and tech stock positions under very similar circumstances, syncing up the two markets. This isn't just a trend, it's a structural shift. For you pros, this means diversification benefits might be shrinking. Crypto is not the Wild West that it once was. It's important to note that markets aren't just numbers. They're driven by human emotions. When stocks crash, fear spreads, and crypto often catches panic. The same goes the other way. A Bitcoin rally can spark FOMO in stock traders. This psychological link is hard to quantify, but it's real. Think about 2023. Crypto and stocks tanked together as inflation fears hit. In this current market, stocks and crypto are more entwined than ever before. The Nasdaq's tech tilt mirrors crypto's innovation roots. Companies like Strategy and Tesla are tying their fates to Bitcoin. Liquidity and interest rates move both markets in lockstep. Institutional adoption is blurring the lines, and sentiment ties it all together. The correlation isn't just trivial. It's a game changer for your investment strategy. What does this mean for you? If you're diversified across stocks and crypto, double check your risk exposure. Correlation could hit you harder than you think, but it's also an opportunity. Understanding these connections can help you time your trades like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me if your portfolio is made up of stocks, crypto, or both. Thanks for watching another Decentralized Masters crypto class. Until next time, I'll see you then.